Hi, I'm Sean Hobson, one of 3M's authorized trainers, and we're talking about slip solution for automotive window film. Now, your slip solution is going to be your application solution as well as your cleaning solution. It's recommended by 3M to use Johnson's Baby Shampoo as the slip agent. It's a pure soap without any other degreasers or additives in it, and it's easy to come by and fairly inexpensive. But the key here is measuring, and the measurements we're discussing are based on a temperature range of between 70 and 80 degrees. If it gets warmer than that, you may have to increase the amount of soap to get the proper amount of slip for your install. So the slip solution is going to allow your film to slip or float on the glass until you get it into position. You want enough solution so that once you position it and begin squeegeeing it, it will lock to the surface. So we're recommending that you measure your soap using a syringe. Most tinners just squirt an appropriate amount in, and they have very inconsistent results because of that. We're recommending between 1 and 2 milliliters of Johnson's Baby Shampoo. We'd recommend you actually measure it. You'd be surprised at how much more consistent outcomes you get with your installs and faster install times, which will eventually equate to more money for your business.